Hey, my name is Fabio, and in this video, I'm going to share with you cryptocurrency to buy right now. This is my experience, and I'm going to give you some tips for beginners. Before I get into the video, make sure you hit that subscribe button and leave a comment below saying I subscribed, as I will reply and I will get back to you. All right, so first and foremost, I want to say that this is my experience. I'm not like a huge expert with crypto at all. I know the basics, and I invest in these tokens because I've done some research and I want to hold them long term. Therefore, I'm recommending to you, but take no advice from me. I'm no expert. I just think that these tokens will do really good in the future. Therefore, I'm making this video to give you some ideas. Yeah, so let's go. All right, so first of all, there's a lot of cryptos out there that I believe in it, like one of them being the XRP. I think it's a good crypto to hold. I've had it before. But now what I've done was I have all my crypto on this website. So I'm not just all over the place. This website is called lobster.co. This URL right here, lobstr.co. This website you can buy XLM, which is Lumen. And by the way, if you want to join this website, you can get free 5XLM if you use my random code that I have in the description. So if you want to get money and get started with this, you can use my code below. You'll get 5XLM and I'll get 5 as well when you make your first purchase. Okay, so here are the tokens that I have money invested and that I believe on them. And I think they're really good to invest now because they're cheap. So the first one I have is Doge Token. This website right here, doge-token.com, is the website of the token, okay? This is a very future-based token. It has a lot of volume. It's interstellar, which this is like the future, in my opinion. I've done some research on this token really deeply. It's part of the ESO. Let me see. The ESO 22222 is the standard for electronic data interchange between financial institutions. So it's compliant with that ESO, which can be used for future transactions. And it's very simple, fast. It's really cool. You can check their website right here. And so this right here is the main token that I recommend, okay? I have right here, as you can see, and I will keep investing in this specific token right here. It's called the Doge Token. And let me show you here. If you go, let me show you here. There's this website. It's called stellarmart.org. And on this website, they list a couple of coins. And a lot of these coins I find to be really good. But this one right here, which is the one that I'm talking about, Doge Token, is the one that has a big, huge supply. It's a really good coin. It's so cheap. So it's a good coin to buy now because it's cheap. And if you hold it long term, it has big potential to be big. And from the sources that I've been following and from the research that I've done, it's really good. This coin is very fast. The company that built it, it's a really solid company from IBM, I believe. And so, yeah, you can check this token out. This token really has huge benefits, and it has a potential to match the Starlink and the wider world access to money. This token is it's really stable. It has a lot of investors. I only see this token having success in the future, okay? Check this one site out. By the way, before I continue showing other tokens that I invest, I invest all on this website. I could be I'm going to show you more stuff, but if you want to join this website, it's basically you have to register and everything like a normal website. They're going to ask you for a couple of things to be secure. And then if you want to buy XLM, because in order to buy these tokens, you need to get XLM and then trade here, right here. This right here on the left, you have trade. And right here, you can trade from XLM to other coins. Okay. Now, right here on the left, you have buy lumens. Lumens is XLM. This one right here, Stellar Lumens. You see? So you can buy lumens here with your Visa card. It's very easy for you to do it. You just type the amount you want to buy in USD. It's going to give you the amount in XLM, and then you can transfer into different tokens. XLM, it's also a crypto that is very, very solid. So yeah, you can buy through here. Another token that I have, it's the Doge. This is they say is the future of Doge. It is the fastest, very future wise. The website is this one. Now it's under I mean, the new site is coming. They had a really good website before, but now this is a new site coming soon. And this coin right here, a couple of days ago, it had a big spike, and I could have took some good money out of it, but I said, okay, no, I'm gonna keep it, and I just kept it. It went down again, but the reason I buy these tokens is I want to keep them long term. I do believe they're gonna do really well. Okay, so this is the future of Doge token. It's really powerful. I believe it will be very useful in the world, especially with the new financial system. And then Doge, Doge is gonna be the next coming one. Okay, another token that I own is this one, is XXA, is this one, okay? And this token is backed by gold and precious metals, backed by physical precious metals. I find it to be really good as well. It's a good one, part of the Interstellar. It's a good token as well, I believe, and so I put some money here as well. And then yeah, those are the three tokens that I really believe in. I will keep investing here on the Doge token. Okay, I also have here Trump's Sarah. This is another token that this one is, I don't know much about it. I just invest a little bit because I felt like it at the moment, but I cannot say much about it. What I can say though is that these tokens, these three ones, are really cool. Okay, so over here, let me show you my over here. This is my crypto list. I just want to share with you these websites. So I'm registered on Coinbase.com. So this is you can buy crypto. Right now I don't have nothing there, but it's a website where you can buy Bitcoin and other coins. So then we have this website, which is Binance.com. It's another one where you can buy like XRP and other coins, all kinds of coins, and trade and things like that. So it's another big one. Okay. Then this is eToro. This is another exchanger as well. You can buy crypto, you can exchange. It's good for trading, this one. And they have a thing where you can do like simulation. You can buy kind of virtual crypto, and then you can play around with it, see if you can earn from it, or just see how it goes. Really cool. This website right here, which is coinmarketcap.com, it will give you the prices of the of crypto right now and how it is. This is let me show you. This website is very famous. Basically, you can see like the main coins, how they're doing, how they're growing. Okay, and you can type here on the search right here on top the coin that you want to look into, and it will give you more about that coin. So to see the graphs, and then yeah, this one is the one that I buy my tokens from. Yeah, then stellarmart.org. This is the one that it's listing all those coins from Stellar. Then Stellar Term is this one you can stellarterm.com. You can you can buy crypto here as well. You can buy lumens, Litecoins, and all kinds of crypto here. and you can see the price of Doge. You see over here the price. So you can see the coins trade, and this is a platform where you can exchange tokens on the Stellar network, and they'll give you a specific code where you can access your stuff. I don't use this much now. And then I want to show this right here. It's an indicator. This indicator, if you are into trading crypto, this indicator, it will give you a lot of good functions here. You can actually come here. Yeah, right here. This indicator, it basically tells you when to buy and when to sell if you are into trading. Yeah, this is the URL for. Just search on Google for this Ourique indicator guide, and it will talk to you about the guide, this indicator. It's really cool. Yeah, so I'm a beginner, as you can see. I'm not an advanced crypto buyer. I just keep it simple, and I believe in XLM and their projects, and these tokens are the ones that I buy and recommend. It doesn't mean it's not a financial advice at all, because we never know what will happen in the future. But from what I've researched and from what I know, these tokens, yeah, this Doge token and Doge, I believe they will do really, really well in the future. And they're really cool to buy now because they're cheap now. So yeah, don't forget, if you want to register here at lobster.com, I will leave below the link to this website and also the code you can grab. So when you buy a couple of Lumen XLM, then you'll get extra 5 XLM in your account, okay, for free. And that's nice because I also get it as well. Thank you. Yeah, so there we go. I hope that was helpful. And if you have any questions regarding this, or any question you want to ask me, you could always comment below below the video, and I will get back to you and reply to you. Thanks for watching. I really appreciate you taking the time for being here with me. It's really a pleasure. Don't ever forget how amazing you are. Always believe in yourself, in your intuition, because the better answers, what you're looking for, are all within yourself. When we tap into ourselves and we into our consciousness and we look within, we normally find beautiful answers. Yeah, it's been helping me a lot. Therefore, I'm sharing with you to look within yourself. It's really nice. All right, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, as I do videos every Tuesday and Friday about making money online and helping you become great, unstoppable, become awesome. Stay blessed, and I will see you next time.